Hello everyone, good day to you or welcome again to Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to do another how to make the best healthiest beans and plantain recipe. I hope you are ready to stay tuned to the end of this video and see how we make this fabulous and healthy meal with simple ingredients. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the kitchen and enjoy the video. So let's dive into the ingredients we are going to use in today's recipe. We are using 400 grams of our blackhead beans, and you can see the simple ingredients we have here. We are going to use this 400 grams and our 4 stick of plantain, ripe plantain, and our onions. We are going to use half of the onions, and our salt to taste. Also, we are going to use our red pepper, blended red pepper, and also our red oil. So this recipe is a simple recipe that you will make, and it's very healthy. So let's start. So right now, here is the pot. I'm pouring in my beans, and I'm going to be adding 2 big cups, this cup of water, 2 of it, and then we are going to cover it and let it cook. So as we are cooking our beans, we are going to be preparing our plantain. I'm going to be chopping off the back, removing the back, and chopping the plantain to the way I like it. You can slice yours the way you want it. I do, take my time in doing things. I do things simple, and that's why I'm making this channel a simple channel that you can make things, and you can even make a simple recipe with simple ingredients, and it will be very healthy. You will love it. It will, in fact, it's something that you will keep on doing. That's why I started this channel, how you can do things without the normal adding this, adding everything. So it's a simple channel, and I love it simple. Like I said, you can slice to your choice. You can see I'm slicing mine very tiny. Why? Because I don't want the plantain to be alone. I want everything, to incorporate with the beans, so that when you are eating it, you'll be feeling it. That's the essence of slicing it very tiny like this. And I don't, because there are recipes I've seen, you will see the plantain will be different, the beans will, no, I want everything to gum together, and that's the beauty of it. So I'm done slicing this. Let's see how our beans is doing, and we are going to add in our plantain, because I guess, yes, my beans is cooked. So I'm adding in the plantain and let it cook for some minutes. So right away we are going to check and see, okay, it's cooked. I'm going to be sieving off the water. the liquid in it, because I don't like the smell of the beans. We all know how beans smell. As in the odor of beans is, in fact, I don't like it. So I am going to be sieving off the water and preparing our meal, healthy meal ever. So right now I'm going to be adding 1 cooking spoon of our red oil, and we are going to let it heat before adding our onions, half bulb of onions, chopped one. So we are going to stir in, then add in our red pepper. We are going to add just half tablespoon of our red pepper, so because it's hot. So now we're also going to be adding our salt to taste. Then we are also going to be adding first of all we are going to be stirring it. Then after stirring, then we add in our beans and plantain, already cooked beans and plantain, and stir it. Then after stirring, you taste and see if you still have the taste. If it needs salt, you add more of salt. So you stir. You can see, do you see the plantain again? No, you did not see. The plantain has disappeared. This is how I love it. This is how it's supposed to be. So this time is time to dish out our meal, and you can see, you will even find out there is plantain in this recipe, and it tastes wonderful, and it's very healthy meal ever. So if you have get to this level and you have not clicked the like button, I encourage you to click the like button, share this video to your loved ones. At the same time, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, feel free to click the subscribe button, and remember to turn on your notifications so that whenever we upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That's the essence of clicking the bell. So let's dive into the testing period. This moment I cannot skip. I love testing, and the recipe tastes great. I urge you to prepare it. It's a very healthy meal and very simple. It doesn't cost you much. It's a simple meal, and that is it. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. Bye.